Rochelle Piolo of P612 Lecturer under Sir Ricardo De Leon. So I'm proud to present to you sound resonance in a wine glass. So first and foremost, kailangan po crystal yung gamitin natin. Kasi kapag crystal, di siya tutunog. So crystal is defined as a layer of combination of mineral. So general wave equation po natin is V equals frequency times wavelength. Yung po yung general wave equation, and yung wave pressure naman po is speed times the particle velocity times the fluid density. So, wine glass resonate. Sa isang wine glass, kailangan po, kapag tubig ay nadagdagan, traditionally, na-observe po natin na yung pitch nagdi-decrease. Kasi yung water molecules around the edge of the glass, kapag yung frequency ay napoproduce. So, in effect, creating a small edge of water. This decreases the energy of the wave because of the larger mass it is carrying around. Thus, with less energy, the wave pitch is lowered. So, mababa po yung pitch ng wave. Also, yung speed ng sound is, alam po natin, 332 meter per second plus 0.6 times the room temperature. So, whereas yung speed naman po ng water is 1,484 meters per second. Because sa water, sound waves travel 4 times as fast. So, this may affect the sound frequency produced. So, ito po, try na po natin pakinggan ng sound. So, lagyan po natin ng water yung wine glass. So, pansin po natin, kapag mas marami po yung tubig, mas mahina po yung sound. So, meron po siya, pero mahina. So, ito po, bawasan natin. Wait lang. So, okay po. Bawasan pa po natin. So, mas malakas po yung sound kapag mas konti yung tubig. So, ganyan talaga. We have to press. So, yun po. Narinig po ba natin yung sound? So, mas konti na po yung tubig noon. So, mas matinis po yung sound. So, that's me, Rochelle Piolo, for the presentation of sound resonance in wine glass. Maraming salamat po, and fight up. God bless. More power to all. Thank you po, Sir Rick De Leon.